Hey everybody, it's me, Miss Norris, and today we're going to do a short drawing activity together called Yes, You Can Draw a Flying Dinosaur, also known as a pterodactyl, and I'm going to show you how in some very easy steps. All you're going to need is something to write on. I'm going to be using my whiteboard, and something to write with. I'm going to be using this dry erase marker. If you are ready to start, so am I. Let's get started. Now the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to turn our paper on its side so that we can give ourselves a little bit more space to really draw a good flying dinosaur. And now we can get started. The first thing you're going to do is up high, we're going to draw a small oval, and a little bit further behind you're going to draw a bigger oval. Now don't worry about whether it's perfect or not. You can see mine looks kind of like a baked potato, and that's okay. I can fix it later, or if I'm doing this with my pencil and paper, I can use an eraser, and it's okay. This is just so you can get that basic idea. Now you're going to connect these two. So you're going to draw a little line here and another little line here, and that connects. So I know it doesn't look like much of a flying dinosaur yet, but trust me, it will. At the top, at the front of your small oval, you're going to make a sharp triangle, and underneath it, you're going to make another tiny sharp triangle. So you could also make one big triangle and then draw a line down the middle. And you're going to make this line in the middle go down just a little bit further, because that's going to be your pterodactyl smile. Which means let's go ahead and do it, folks. Let's go ahead and give our pterodactyl a little eye. Now here's what's really going to make this look pterodactyl-y. Are you ready? Right here where the oval for your head and your lines for your neck meet, you're going to make a little line that comes up like this, and you're going to connect it to the top of your head. Now I'm going to erase this little line here so that you can better see that pterodactyl head. You see how it looks kind of birdy? But wait, we're not done yet. At the end of your baked potato, or at the end of your big oval or your body, you're going to draw a big V, like a bumblebee stinger. And that's going to be, and here, I'm going to erase this little line so you can see that it's one continuous body. This is our dinosaur right there. So you can see without some of those lines in there that it's looking more and more like a flying dinosaur, a pterodactyl. Now, the main thing that you need to know about a pterodactyl is that a pterodactyl flies. So, right in the middle of your big body, you're going to make a line that swoops down, and then you're going to bring it straight back up. See how we have a wing? And then you're going to, at the top of your body, you're going to do the same thing. A straight line up and curve it down. Now pterodactyls have little claws or talons. So right on the edge of my wing, I'm going to draw 3 little talons. And down here at the bottom of my other wing, I'm going to draw 3 more talons. See how it looks like just 3 little bumps, or like a 3 with an extra bump on it? Ladies and gentlemen, you just drew a pterodactyl. Like I said, yes, you can, because it's simple. And does it take some practice? Yes. Are you always going to be able to do it the first time? Take it from me, the answer is no. But with my help, I'm hoping that you can get as close to getting it right the first time as you can, and keep watching the videos. Sometimes I had to watch some videos too, and I had to look at some pictures, and I had to do some of these pictures a lot of times before I was ready to show you guys. But there you have it. Yes, you can draw a pterodactyl. If you liked this video, please click that thumbs up at the bottom of this page. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. And I hope that there will be many more videos that you'll be interested in the future. Until next time, bye.